Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best universal remote is probably one of the most convenient upgrades you can make to your ceiling fan. Imagine effortlessly adjusting your fan's speed and light settings from the comfort of your couch or bed. In this video, we'll explore the top universal remotes designed specifically for ceiling fans with lights, helping you find the perfect one to enhance your home's comfort and convenience. Number 5. LPHUMEX Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Installing this remote control kit is incredibly easy. You don't need to remove any parts of your fan. Just a few simple wire connections, and it's ready to go. Tired of getting up to turn off your fan or light? This remote control kit is the perfect solution. It works with many popular ceiling fan brands, making it a great upgrade or replacement. Enjoy reliable control from anywhere in the room or even from another floor. The signal is strong, ensuring you can adjust your fan without any issues. This remote offers separate buttons for fan speed and light control. It converts your regular ceiling fan into a remote-controlled one, providing convenience at your fingertips. The remote control and receiver are designed to work together. For normal operation, make sure to replace them as a pair. What we like. This remote is incredibly easy to install, saving you time and effort. It also boasts a strong signal, allowing you to control your fan from anywhere in the room. If you're looking for a simple upgrade to your existing fan, this is a great choice. What people say. This product has worked flawlessly on one fan for over a month now. Everything worked as advertised for me, including the timing feature which can be convenient when needed. The ability to control the lights and fan separately, and probably the biggest reason to get this setup in the first place, if you have the fan and light wired together to a single switch and are tired of having to fumble around with the pull chains. Number 4. Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This remote control kit is designed for most 110V3 speed AC ceiling fans. It's compatible with brands like Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay, Hunter, and Litex. It's a great replacement or upgrade for your existing ceiling fan. This Xiaoming model fan 53T remote lets you control your ceiling fan speed and light brightness separately. It offers high, medium, and low speeds, as well as an off function. The light button controls the dimmer and on-off functions. The light dimmer works with incandescent bulbs and some dimmable LEDs. For non-dimmable LEDs and CFLs, it only supports on-off, and dimming may cause flickering. The green button glows in the dark, making it easy to find. The Fan 28R receiver has a high power capacity of 240W, allowing you to connect more light bulbs and extending its lifespan. It's suitable for Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay, Hunter, and most 110V3 speed AC ceiling fans. The package includes the remote control, Fan 28R receiver, wall mount holder, user manual, wire nuts, and screws. The remote uses a 9V battery, which is not included. This kit provides everything you need for easy installation. What we like. This remote offers a light dimmer function, allowing you to adjust the brightness of your lights. The powerful receiver ensures reliable performance and a long lifespan. If you have a fan with dimmable lights or need a replacement kit, this is the one for you. What people say. It was quick to install. It fit into the fan harness easily. It works as advertised and simple to operate. Number 3. QIACHIP Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Tired of old-fashioned ceiling fans? This kit upgrades most fans, turning them into remote-controlled ones. It's easy to install and compatible with many popular brands. This universal kit works with brands like Hunter, Harbor Breeze, and Westinghouse. It's perfect for homes, restaurants, and offices. It's a versatile solution for modern convenience. Using semiconductor switches, this kit is safer and quieter than older models. It eliminates switching noise and arc, providing a more reliable experience. This new technology makes it a great choice. Control fan speed, set timers, and manage the lights with ease. It offers 3 speeds, 4 timer settings, and a light on-off function. It also has a mute function for silent operation. Before purchasing, check the receiver size to ensure compatibility. If you have any issues, contact us for assistance. This product is designed for easy use and reliable performance. The receiver size is 4.56 inches * 2.12 inches * 1.1 inches. Please make sure it fits your fan before you buy it. It's important to ensure a proper fit for optimal performance. What we like. This remote utilizes new technology for safer and more reliable operation. It also includes multiple timing options for added convenience. If you value safety and advanced features, you should consider it. What people say. It connects with minimal effort and works very well. Radio frequency, RF, is so much better than the older styles of these things. The timer feature is great for these, set it for a few hours and not worry about forgetting to turn off. Number 2. Aubric Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Tired of getting up to adjust your fan? This universal remote control kit adds remote control functionality to almost any ceiling fan. It's a convenient solution for controlling your fan's speed and lights from anywhere in the room. The receiver unit is designed to be incredibly small, fitting easily into your fan's canopy. This compact design ensures a hassle-free installation process, even in tight spaces. Make sure there is enough space in the canopy of your fan. Installation is a breeze, with only 5 wires to connect. You don't need to remove the light kit or blades. Simply connect the receiver to your fan and the power supply. This kit offers multiple functions, including fan speed control, high, medium, low, timing settings, 1H, 2H, 4H, 8H, and light on-off control. It gives you complete control over your fan's operation. You can set the timer to turn off the fan automatically. The remote control provides an option for a beep sound to confirm each operation. You can easily enable or disable this feature by following a simple procedure. This feature provides you with feedback. What we like. This remote features a super small receiver, making installation a breeze, even in tight spaces. It also offers multiple fan speed and timing options. If you have limited space in your fan canopy, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The quality of these remotes is great. They were compatible with my 2 ceiling fans and had no problem hooking up. There are settings for brightness and speed. This is the perfect controller for older light fan ceiling units. No need to remove the fan, just drop the ceiling canopy that encloses the electrical connection. The new controller slips inside the structural support. Hook up the 2 wires on one side to the wires from the switch and mate the wires on the other side of the controller to the fan light conductors. These were easy to install, programmed easily and work solid. Not very fancy, no dimmer on the light, but for a fan these are very ideal and for the price unbeatable. Number 1. Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Tired of pulling chains? This universal remote control kit transforms your traditional ceiling fan into a remote-controlled one. It allows you to easily manage your fan and light from anywhere. This wireless fan control is compatible with most ceiling fans, including popular brands. Before purchasing, ensure the receiver fits within your fan's canopy. The remote offers multiple functions. It includes controls for fan speed, timing settings, and light on-off functionality. Perfect for homes, restaurants, and offices, this remote control kit is a convenient upgrade. It's a great solution for anyone wanting to convert their manual ceiling fan. Installation is simple, whether you have a pull chain or wall switch fan. The remote features easy-to-press buttons and comes with a wall-mountable holster. Double-check the receiver size before installation. What we like. This remote is a universal solution, compatible with a wide range of fan brands. It offers convenient control over fan speed, light, and timing. If you're looking to convert a chain pull fan to remote control, it is a great option. What people say. This fits in the slots in the housing of our ceiling fan, so I'm sure it will fit, though tightly, in any fan. Remote works. Now fan has normal speed options. But this product works great. It was easy to install, only took me about 10 minutes. Only tools you might need is a screwdriver and wire strippers. Other than that you should be able to install pretty easy. If your ceiling fan is already connected to a light switch, just wire the red wire coming from the main wires to black, the 2 black and the white to white and gray to gray. The 3 other wires connect those to the wires coming from fan as labeled and you should be set. Easy to set up, not too much to read through, and works like a charm. Functions just like you would want it to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.